I'd like to work with you on getting some devices from you. I need about 1,000.
1,000. And how soon do you need your devices?
My preference would be within 30 to 60 days.
30 to 60 days. Well, first of all, when do you need your devices? Do you need them in 30 days or you just want them in 30 days?
Any earlier than 30 days isn't going to be much benefit for me. So any after 30 days would be the best for me.
Okay, because right now I don't think I can have your devices ready in 30 days.
How fast can you get them in besides 30 days?
Let me see. Because if I speak to my team, I might be able to have them ready. Let me see, in 50 days. But I don't know if it's gonna work for you.
How much would that cost in shipping and well, what's the quote for the total 1,000 devices with the shipping to get it in 50 days?
Let me see. Okay, it's gonna be $80,000.
Does that
But
shipping?
it's gonna be $80,000 for 60 days. And the shipping is not included.
Not included. Well, what about the 50 days that you quoted? How much would it be for that?
I don't think I have a quote. Let me see if I can have a quote. I can give you a quote. Okay, well, I will have to make some calculations because based on the information that I have, I think I will have to pay a lot more money to produce the units in 50 days. I think it will be better for you to have them in 60 days. What do you think?
I need better than 60 days.
You need better than 60 days?
I put 30 to 60 days, and 60 is my limit. But I need better. If you can do better, I appreciate it.
Okay. Well, I can have 600 devices in 30 days. Would that work for you?
And then you would have the wait. So you get 60 devices in 30 days, and then the other
in another 30 days.
In the 60 days?
Yes.
Oh wait, hold on. 600 devices. And then what about shipping?
Let's see. The shipping. I think it's gonna be two different quotes for the shipping, two different prices. Let me see.
Yeah, because it's partial.
Well, if I let me see.
And oh, how much? Actually, we didn't even go over how much that would cost if you do 600 in the 30 days and 400 in the 60 days.
Okay.
That works for both of us.
I can have the 600 devices ready in 30 days and the other 400 in another 30 days, but that would cost you $70. $70 per device.
Oh, 70 per device for both 600 and 400?
No, for the 400 only.
Oh, so how much would it be for the 600 in the 30 days?
Well, if you choose to get the 600,
yeah,
it will be only $40. $40 per device. Okay. So I think that's a good deal if you don't need the 1,000 devices for your event.
Okay, so if we do that, how about shipping?
The shipping, no, I don't think the shipping is gonna be included because see, it takes 3 days for you to get your devices. So that means that I would have to have your devices ready in 27 days. And I would have to invest more money, you know,
Well,
to have.
how much would the standard shipping of the 3 days cost me?
Well, I think I gave you a code of $80,000 for the 1,000 devices for 60 days, right?
Yes.
But you will have to pay for the shipping.
So if I pay for the shipping and that's in there, it would be how much per unit to ship in the 3 days standard?
Let me make my calculations up. But the thing is that I don't have my phone, so let me see. Let me use my computer.
That's fine. I'm doing the same thing on my side.
Let me see. Or you would pay $100 more.
$800 more
Yes,
for what?
for the 1,000 devices.
I don't understand.
Yeah, like if you decide to get the $80,000 quote, like if you want your 100 devices in 60 days, you will have to pay $80,000 plus $800 for the shipping.
And the $800 is the 3 days.
Yes.
So if we apply that same cost to the 600 and the 400, that'd be 2 shipping costs. So that's 800 and 800. That's $1,600. So then I do the total cost of shipping to be $1,600, and that's 3-day shipping.
Let me see.
Or what if we did like the 3-day shipping for the 600 pieces, and then we do better for the 400 pieces?
Well, 600. That'll be 510. 510
For which?
for the 600 devices.
And that's 3-day shipping.
Yes.
Do you have what's your improved, just for the 400 pieces, not for the 600? Do you have an overnight delivery?
Yeah, but I would have to charge you more.
I understand it's overnight. How much does it cost?
Okay. Let me see. For only 400 devices, right?
Yes, the second half, whatever.
Okay, that'd be, oh my goodness, that's a lot of money. I don't recommend that. It would be 1,600.
1,600. Okay.
Yes.
Hold on. Now my turn to do the calculation. Okay, so if we have the 600 pieces in 30 days, that'd be $40 each, plus the 510 in the shipping. And then for the 400 pieces, for $70 each, plus the 1,600 pretend in shipping. That oops.
Well, according to the list that I have, if you choose to get the 1,000 devices in 60 days, you will only have to pay 80 cents per unit. But if you want them overnight, you will have to pay $4.
But I need them better than the 60 days for all 1,000. So if you can help by doing the 600 piece partial, it helps me get some earlier, but we still have the 400 to do the 60 days.
So you don't mind paying the $4? I mean,
you told me it's 70. Yeah, you told me it's $40 each for the 600 and $70 each for the 400, right?
Let me check. No, well, if you want them overnight, like if you want your devices overnight, you will have to pay $4 per unit,
And
regardless of the amount of devices.
And that's the 1600, correct?
For the 600?
No, no, the shipping for the 400 pieces overnight, it's $4 a piece, so it'd be $1,600, correct?
Let me check. No, 600. Just multiply 600 by 4. This is $4.
Yeah, $1,600 for just the shipping cost of the 400 pieces. No, that works for me, actually. That's the partial works for me because it helps me get some sooner if you can't do the full 1,000 sooner than 60 days. So I can get started on the 600, and then whenever I get the 400, I'll prepare for it like that.
So you only want to get 600 devices. You know what? You don't want to pre-order the 400, right?
Well, I'm gonna order I would like to order the whole 1,000, but you do the 630 days and you do 460 days.
Okay, let me check the contract because I think we have to put the quantity of the
1,000.
shipping. Yeah, but I also have to add the price. So if you want the 1,000, that means that I have to put that you're willing to pay $80,000 plus the shipping cost for the 1,000 devices. But if you're saying that if you want only the 600 devices, that means that the price is going to change and the delivery day is going to change too.
Then what can you do for 800 pieces?
800 pieces?
Yeah. So we have to do a total. We can't do 600 now and 400 later. We have to do a total price, total quantity. Because I
don't have that on my list. It's okay.
I don't either. I'm confused. Because I honestly have an offer for all 1,000. And I can go to them. I don't if you can't do the 600 and the 400, or maybe the 800.
Well, like I said, I can have devices ready when you want them. But the thing is the shipping cost. Because if you want me to send those devices overnight, you will have to pay more money.
Yes.
And I mean, that's better for me, right? But like, I want this to work for both of us, you know?
So can you do a less quantity? Besides 600, can you do like 800 in less than 60 days? 45 days, somewhere in the middle?
I think the least I can do is 600. Yeah.
Somewhere between 600 and 1,000.
So this is a little bit confusing because I don't have like a price per unit. I only have the price per unit for the shipping cost, but like not the actual price, like the final price.
Yeah, I understand. Oh, I wish I can help. Well, if it's 1,000 pieces in 60 days, that's when I got confused too. For $80,000, that's 80 cents a unit. So that does not include shipping. But what if you do 800 pieces? It would still be 80 cents each for overnight shipping. Does that make sense? We are at 5 minutes left.
Oh no. Okay, so if we do this 800,
yes,
you're willing to pay the shipping cost? Yes or no?
Well, which shipping costs, overnight or 3 day?
Well, it's up to you. How soon do you want them? I mean, how soon
Well, if we do 45, well, how fast can you get it for me? That depends on the shipping. If you can do 800,
like I said, if I send it overnight, just add $4 per device.
right. But if you can do 800 pieces in less than 60 days, how fast can you do them? Does it say?
Calculations. Well, you will have to pay 3,200 for the shipping.
3,200, and that's
Yeah.
for how many days?
For um, for 3 days.
No, I mean like the 1,000 pieces you can get in 60 days, 600 pieces you can get in 30 days.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Um,
800 would be kind of in the middle.
okay, for the 1,000 pieces, you can get them in 3 days, and you will pay $100. For the 800 devices, you will get them in 3 days too, but you will pay $4 per unit, and that's 3,200.
But how many days does it take you to manufacture the 800?
Let's see. Well, I can have them ready in 27 days.
The 800 pieces?
Yes.
So 830 days? Oh, 27. Then if you can do it in 27 days, then I'll just do the regular 3 day shipping. So 800, they're
What do you mean by regular? For regular 3 day
the 3 day
shipping?
shipping. You said you can have it done in 27 days. So if I do 3 day transit, I get it in 30 days. Correct?
No. Okay. So if you want 800 devices, you can have them in 30 days. It would take me 27 days to produce them, like to make them.
Yeah. And then so
Yeah.
if we do regular transit,
That means that you would pay let's see, $4 per unit for the shipping cost.
is that overnight?
Yes.
What do you have for 3 day transit, the regular, not overnight?
But the thing is that I don't have that on my list.
For the 600, it was $510 for the shipping for 3 days. Would it apply the same? So 510 divided by 600 is 85 cents a piece. So if we do 85 cents times 800, it'll be 680 for shipping.
No, like I said, I don't have a price for the shipping cost. I think if you want them overnight, it's $4. That's all I have. I mean, I don't think it's about the price. It's about coming into an agreement.
Um, I will do the 800 at the 80 cents each. And then if it's regular transit and if it's the same cost as 600 pieces, which was, you said you can get 600 pieces at 3 day shipping for $510. So if we do that, it would be 85 cents each. 85 cents each times 800 pieces would be the $680 for shipping 3 days, not overnight.
Okay. Do you want to do that? What? Here's the thing. The $800, well, the 80 cents per unit is for the 1,000 devices.
But you didn't have a price for 800.
but I don't have a price for 800 devices. No.
That's 20 minutes.
Okay. So, what do you want to do?
I'm not sure what to do because I don't have numbers. I don't have, all I have that was concrete was the 1,000 pieces in 60 days uh, for 80,000, and that didn't include shipping. So
Okay. So
I have a better offer than that
you can do this. You can get the 1,000 devices, and you can pay for the shipping.
in 60 days.
Yeah.
I can do better. I can get somewhere better.
Okay. So you want us to pay for the shipping?
I need better than 60 days.
You need better than 60 days. Well, like I said, you can have them in less than 60 days, but you're gonna have to pay more for the shipping. And
If it's overnight shipping, how fast can you get it to me?
I think you can have the devices in 2 days. Yeah.
What do you mean 2 days? Like regular transit?
No, if it's overnight, you can have the devices in 2 days. Yes, because your company is not in the United States. So yeah, I think it's gonna
Well,
take.
I need, well, in the first part it says 1,000 pieces in 60 days. With regular transit, that adds 3 days. So you would get it, you would ship it at 57 days, and at 60 days I'd get it. But if you're out, if you can do better than the 60 days is the thing that I need.
Hmm. Let's see. So here's the thing. Like I said, I can only make 600 devices in 30 days. I mean, I can do more than that.
That's why I really like the partial idea. If we can do 600 pieces in 30 days and 400 pieces in 60 days.
Okay, you know what? Let's go for that because
Okay.
we're over 20 minutes. So it's
You-
gonna be 600 devices in 30 days, right?
Yes. And
And
400 devices in
400
60
in
days.
another 30 days. Okay.
And then that meant I would want to do regular transit for the 600. And you said that cost $510, and each unit would cost $40.
Okay. Okay, for the 600 devices, you're gonna pay. No, wait. Okay, if you want the 600 devices, you're gonna have to pay $40 per unit.
Yes,
For the 400 devices, you're gonna have to pay $70 per unit.
yes, we'll do that.
Yeah, you wanna do that, right?
Yes,
But the shipping, let me see.
I want to do regular shipping for the first part and overnight shipping for the second part. If we can.
40 and it's gonna be 70. Okay. Let's see all the shipping. Okay, I can charge you 25 cents per unit, but it will take 7 days for you to get your devices. So count
Well,
27
the
and
original quoted
7
amount,
days. Huh?
the original quoted amount that you said a while ago was $510 for 3-day transit and the 600, and overnight shipping for the 400 at $1,600. total.
Okay.
So it would be, excuse me, it would be, hold on, get my calculator. So for the 600, it would be 85 cents each for 3-day transit. And for the 400, it would be $4 each for the overnight transit.
Okay, let's do the $4.
And that's for the 400 devices.
Yes. Well, that's to get them overnight.
Yes.
Like to, yes.
Yes.
So you want to do that?
Yes. And then for the 600 devices, I do not want to do overnight.
Okay.
I want to do the regular 3 days, which you said cost 85 cents each.
Okay, overnight and 600. Great. Okay, that's fine.
How much is the transit for 600 devices?
I'm gonna make the calculations. That'd be 480?
For 3-day transit?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah,
400.
regular, it's 80 cents. The regular price, it's 80 cents.
For transit for 3 days?
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll do that. So that means it's a total of, so it's 600 devices at $40 each, which is 24,000 plus $480 of transit, and then it's 400 devices at $70 each, which is 28,000 plus 1,600 in total transit. So then that equals $54,080. Is that right?
So I have 24,000 for the 600. Is that what you got? 24,000, including the shipping cost?
24,000.
Including the shipping cost, right?
The shipping cost is $24,480 for including shipping.
Okay. And for this 400,
So it should be 28,000, and then to include shipping costs, we would total up to $54,000. $54,000.
right?
What?
64,000? Is that what you got? 64?
Yeah, is that 54? So I got, hold on, let me write it out.
Times.
Hold on, I'm trying to write fast.
I think I'm doing something wrong. So it's 600 devices.
So this is I wrote it out. This is what I'm doing. So it's 600 devices, sorry for my handwriting, at $40 each, which equals 24,000 plus $480 to ship. So that equals $24,480.
Okay, that's what I got for the first one. Okay, for the 600. But for the 400,
400, I got 70, that's a 7. $70 each. Plus this, which equals 28,000.
okay,
Plus the 1,600.
8,000. My mistake.
28,000 plus the 1,600, and then add the 24,000 should equal up to $54,080.
You know what? I think your calculations are wrong.
In which way?
Oh my gosh, I keep getting this wrong. I don't know why. But I got the same. But when I add everything, I don't know, I get a different price. But you're right. You're right.